What's up guys? Ito nga palang atake ko na to ay Queen Charge Lava Balloons. Siyempre sa Queen Charge meron tayong dalang 5 healers. Then ang ating main drops is lava, isang lava. Tapos 25 balloons. Meron din tayong dalang dalawang headhunter, 9 minions, 1 baby dragon, 1 wizard, 3 super wall breaker. Then yung pang clean up na sneaky goblins, tapos archers. Meron din tayong dalang lag launchers dito. Ang ginawa ko lang pang atake dito guys ay dito ako nag Queen Charge sa bandang 6 o'clock. Tapos si King, nag-drop na lang ako sa bandang 5 o'clock. Sa likod yung lag launchers. Tapos si King, pinapunta ko lang dito sa may bandang 3 o'clock. Tapos si Queen, intay ko makaabot sa gitna hanggang sa pwede na ako mag-labalons. Nga pala dito ako naglabalon sa bandang 1 o'clock. Nag-try lang ako dito maka 3 star pero yun nga, kinaya naman. Maganda ang kanyang naging resulta. Yan guys, atakin natin.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run.
We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Now I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive, our journey was life.
At eto na nga guys, na 3S natin gamit ang Queen Charge Lava Balloons. Score nga pala namin dito is 80-104. Kakaunti pa umatak sa amin. The next na attack natin is Blizzard's Lava Balloons. Yan. Nag-ayos lang ako dito ng backup. Yan, Super Wizards. then goblins, tapos archers na lang. Then sa backup na spell is rage spell. Ito nga pala yung base na atake natin. Ang ginawa ko dito ako nag-drop ng lava sa may bandang 4.5 o'clock. Tapos sa likod nun, yung battle blimp na. Then dito ko pinasabog yung aking battle blimp sa may scatter shot na to. Tapos dito ako nag-drop ng king and queen sa may 6 o'clock. Then yung aking lava balloons sa 2 o'clock na lang. Then yung aking royal champion, dito ko lang siya drop sa bandang 11 o'clock. Then yung atake na ginawa ko dito. Dito nga pala guys sa atake na to, meron akong dalang 3 lava, 26 loons, 3 headhunters, tapos yung cleanups na minions 10. Tapos isang wall breaker and 1 minions.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. Honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to
natin gamit ang Blizzard's lava balloons. Next natin is lilipat tayo sa ibang account. Stage 13 din siya. Nakatake naman natin yung ibang mga defenses. Lava balloons din gamit ko dun. Yung isa ay Skeleton at lava balloons. Then yung isa ay Sap lava balloons. Yan. Lilipat lang ako account dito. Yung isa nga palang account ko ngayon guys is yung PX Silas. Ito naman ngayon yung Lakeside's Portrix. Yan, ito na siya. Ito yung traps na gamit ko dito. Papalitan ko lang yung backup ko dyan ng Skeleton spell. Yan. Yan. Yung atake natin yan, meron tayong dalang isang golem, ice golem. Tapos 2 laba. Ang dinala ko nga pala dito guys is flame flinger. Yan, pinaltan ko lang yan. Yan, nakatake na natin siya. Ang pag-drop nga pala nito, dito ko siya drop sa bandang 6 o'clock. Tapos yung ating mga pampanel na golem, saka yung king queen, dito ako nag-drop sa bandang 4 o'clock. Tapos yung ating RC, sa bandang taas na lang natin nilagay. Then yung ating labalons, dito tayo naglabalon sa bandang 8 o'clock. Ang ginawa ko pala dito guys, gamit ang skeleton at is winasa ko itong eagle saka clan castle.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intent.
Eto na nga guys, nakuha natin gamit ang skeleton at labalons. Next attack naman natin is yung sap labalons. Ito nga pala yung gagamitan natin ng sap labalons. Ito nga pala guys yung last na attack natin sa TH13, sap labalons. Ito guys, binago ko lang yung aking equipment dito para maganda yung kanyang ability ng ating queen. Ito nga pala guys is pinalitan ko yung aking spell ng poison saka freeze. Ang gamit ko nga pala dito is 2 lava, 2 lava, 1 golem, 1 ice golem, tapos 25 loons, 10 minions. Sa spell naman, meron akong dalang 5 sap. Ang ginawa ko dito ako nag-drop ng flame flinger sa bandang 3 o'clock. Tapos yung ating pampanel na golem, ice golem, saka queen, king, dito tayo nag-drop sa bandang 2 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Tapos yung ating lava loons, dito tayo nag-drop ng lava loons sa bandang 7 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Yun. Doon tayo nag-lava loons.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Ito nga guys, nakuha natin gamit ang sap lava loons. Yan guys, gamit ang 4 na klase ng lava loons, nakuha natin yung mga base na inattack natin. Ito nga pala yung una kong inattack na base. Ito yung ginamitan ko ng Queen Charge lava loons. Tapos ito naman yung isa, yung Blizzard lava loons. Din ito yung pangatlo, yung Sap lava loons. Din ito yung last, yung ginamitan natin ng Blizzard lava loons. Yan guys, salamat sa panonood.